Village Railroad. For the safety of our younger riders, we ask that the adults with them place themselves on the outside of the row. If that's not practical, please make sure they're held or easily within your reach. Please stay seated while the train's in motion. Keep those arms and legs and especially your heads inside the rail car at all times. And please refrain from smoking, eating, or drinking anything but water aboard the Greenfield Village Railroad.
Oh, you blow? I saw it.
Let it go.
And as we continue on now through Railroad Junction, we're now passing the historic Smiths Creek Depot. Originally built in 1858 in Smiths Creek, Michigan, about 8.5 miles southwest of Port Huron. Where as a boy, Thomas Edison worked for the Grand Trunk Railroad, selling treats and newspapers along the way from Port Huron to Detroit and back again. Now, coming up on your left, that fenced-in area, is the new home to the Vegetable Building from the Detroit Central Market. Coming soon to Greenfield Village. And that brings us to the heart of our Railroad Junction district. Just up ahead is our Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, where we repair and maintain our 3 coal-fired steam locomotives. Originally built in 1884 in Marshall, Michigan, it was recreated here at Greenfield Village in the year 2000, using elements from the original building. On the other side of the roundhouse is our Liberty Craftworks district, where artisans and craftsmen create beautiful objects in glass and pottery, tin and weaving. There's a print shop and a sawmill as well. And don't miss the Davidson Gerson Glass Gallery with a spectacular collection of industrial glass. And just beyond the Red Cider Mill is the Firestone Farm, the birthplace of Harvey Firestone. Henry Ford's great friend and the founder of the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company of Akron, Ohio. Firestone Farm is a living history farm. Farmhouse built in 1828 in Columbiana County, Ohio. And be sure to stop by the barn today. Check out the new arrivals. Firestone Farm is a real operating farm. Our farmhands are out in the fields today using tools, implements, and techniques they used way back in the mid-1800s. And that brings us to our next stop of the day, and that's Firestone Station at the front gate. And here you have full access to working farms, Main Street, Liberty Craftworks, and Henry's Rock Table. For leaving us here, please stay seated for the train comes to a complete stop. The engineer will give you a blast of the whistle. That means the air brake is set. Then I'll give you the go-ahead to exit on the right side only. Please stay seated, everyone, until you hear that whistle blow.